Hi, I Rahul extend a hearty welcome to you all to this transmission of Daiji Global Pan Vision. First, the news headlines from abroad. Friends of Cry Club in Kuwait play cricket for a noble cause. News headlines from Bangalore. Savita Mitra organizes Mitrotsav felicitation program at Town Hall. Kids steal the show at the annual day celebration of St. Teresa's School. Express buses go high-tech. Bus voice vehicle tracking system launched in South Canara for the first time in the country. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from Konkan Shahs held in Dubai and a contemporary dance from Agnofest 2007 held at St. Agnes College. News in detail. In India, millions of children do not go to school due to the lack of a secure livelihood for their families or simply a lack of teachers, classrooms or toilets. Child Rights and You, CRY, an NGO having its presence across the world, is working to amplify the voice of the children. Friends of Cry Club, a unit of CRY, is a group of dedicated volunteers in Kuwait in the service of deprived children. To enable people to take responsibility for the situation of the deprived Indian child, FOCC of Kuwait held Cricket 2007 cricket tournament for the children. Friends of Cry Club hosted Cricket 2007 cricket tournament for children at KOC Hockey Grounds, Amadi on Friday, November 9th. Cricket matches were played between 20 teams grouped into two, under 12 and under 14 years respectively. The winner of the under 12 category, Gladiators, defeated the Titans, and Warriors, true to their name, fought hard to grab the under 14 Champions Trophy, defeating equally strong Supersonic Scorpios. Anil Kumar Rai, Second Secretary, Consular Services, Embassy of India, was the chief guest and presented the trophies to the winners. Cry Counter provided information on the ways to assist and help the underprivileged children in India. The Kids Corner arranged games, music and competitions. Games like Raffle and Bingo were played and the Buy for Cry stall was the main attraction. Face painting and mehendi designs on palms were also arranged. The essay and drawing competitions were held. Topics for the essay competition were child labor and what a child feels about it, and what if you were given unrestricted internet access. Achievers need to be encouraged to scale further heights, and it's the responsibility of the society to play the role of a motivator. Savita Mitra, a Kannada monthly, did a commendable job by organizing a function to encourage the young achievers at Town Hall on Wednesday, November 21st. Savita Mitra, a Kannada monthly, organized Mitrotsav, a felicitation ceremony on Wednesday, November 21st at Town Hall. Devananda Swamiji of Odiyur Mutt inaugurated the program.
ಭಾಷೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಏನಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃದಯ ಭಾಷೆಯೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಹುಶಃ ದೀಪ ಉರಿಸುವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ಸವದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯೂ ಹೌದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಅಂತರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಉತ್ಸವ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಮಿತ್ರೋತ್ಸವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಪರೂಪದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ಸವಾದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಬೆಸೆಯುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಉತ್ಸವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಮಿತ್ರತ್ವ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತ್ರತ್ವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ಅವ ಆಚರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಮಿತ್ರತ್ವ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು.
Dana Chintamani award-winning writer Sara Abubakar presided over the function. Renowned writer Chandrakala Nandavara released the special edition of Savita Mitra. Vittal Bandari, organizer of the ceremony and editor of Savita Mitra, Sister Karisima AC, Secretary, the Apostolic Carmel Educational Trust, Maina A. Shetty, Secretary, Sri Devi Educational Trust, Radha Rao, Advocate, Hari Krishna Punarur, former President, Karnataka Kannada Sahitya Parishad, N. Sitara, Managing Trustee, Sri Kukke Subramanya Temple, Dr. U.D. Nayak, Retired Medical Officer, Wenlock Hospital, Corporator Rajashri, M. Ramanna Pujari, President, Yuva Vahini, were the guests. Savita Mitra Dr. Rajkumar Award was presented to 23 students who have passed in Kannada with highest marks beside other achievers in literature and story writing. The entertainment programs by Talents Group Moodbidri and Vonjiape Jokulu, a musical Tulu drama, was also held. Come year end, schools in Mangalore will be busy with their annual day celebrations. Primary students of St. Teresa's School, one of the reputed schools in Mangalore, held their annual day celebration on Wednesday, November 21st evening. St. Sebastian Platinum Jubilee Hall was buzzed with the children on Wednesday, November 21st. Children clad in the colourful attire stole the hearts of the audience at their annual day celebration. The annual day program of St. Teresa's School was suffused with dances and songs and other cultural programs. The program started with a welcome dance by the children. Little children received huge applauses for their presentation of the English play Love Alone Can Heal. Roshni Nilaya School of Social Work retired English professor Maria De Costa was the chief guest of the function.
Joy to see this little heaven, heaven created by St. Teresa's High School, Primary School, and the staff, the management, the teachers, and the parents of this prestigious landmark. And to have this great institution making strides in this growing city of ours.
St. Sebastian Church Parish Priest Father Peter S. Norona graced the occasion. Delegation Superior of the Central Delegation Sister Lillis B.S., School Correspondent Sister Juliana and Principal Sister Rose Margaret were present. The occasion turned out to be a wholesome entertainment and parents enjoyed every moment watching their children performing on the stage. The annual day celebration of the high school section of the school will be held on Friday, November 23rd. Well, with this we take a break here, but after the break we will bring you a story on the satellite navigation gadget being launched in the express buses in Bangalore and Udupi. So don't go away, I'll be right back.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands, including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings, jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex near Shetty Traders, Melagris Crossroad, Ampankatta, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. We have some good news for the commuters of express buses that ply between Mangalore and Udpi. For the first time in India, bus voice system has been implemented in South Canara, where public transport is dominated by private bus operators as against state-owned buses in most of the other parts of the state. The police and regional transport officers will monitor driving behavior of the bus drivers through GPS satellite navigation.
ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಬಸ್ನ ವೇಗದ ಪರಿಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಆರ್ಟಿಒ ಹಾಗೂ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇದೀಗ ಬಸ್ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತ. ಬಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನವಿರಿಸಿರುವ ಮಿತ್ರ.
Harish, driver of Jairaj bus plying between Mangalore and Bhatkal, was extra careful today than the earlier days. The bus owner and regional transport officer were monitoring the movement of the bus, the number of passengers, the stages it has covered en route to destination in the comfort of their respective offices. For the first time in the country, Bus Voice GPS-enabled new system to monitor and track the bus has been introduced in this bus that was plying between Mangalore and Bhatkal. When the bus left Mangalore bus terminus at 10:15 am on Wednesday, November 21st, the driver and conductor were curious about this device. When the bus reached Bunce Hostel, the technician asked the driver to switch off and restart the device. It is interesting now that when the bus reached Lal Bagh, the bus voice started speaking.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನೀವೀಗ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಬಸ್ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿರುವ ಮನರಂಜನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಹೊಸ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಬಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಿಧಾನಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿರುವ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಶ್ರಾವ್ಯ ಯಾತ್ರಾ ವಾಣಿ ಬಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಅತಿ ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಸ್ವಾರಸ್ಯಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಹಾಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಗಳು, ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಂದ ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆಗಳು, ರಸಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮುಂತಾದ ಮನರಂಜನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗಿದು ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
Today it was a new experience for all the commuters. When the bus reached a specific stop, the bus voice announced the stages to the passengers.
The approaching stop is Suratkal.
The device fitted inside the bus did not forget to tell the passengers to collect their tickets and the balance money. The bus voice was also ensuring the safety of the passengers. When Rajesh Kundar, CEO of iFactor Technologies, who developed this indigenous device, realized the successful working of their recent innovation Bus Voice, he was one of the happiest persons. Speaking to Daijiworld.com, Rajesh Kundar said that several test runs were made before the introduction of this Bus Voice. This is the initial step taken by Canara Bus Owners Association and iFactor Technologies. Jairaj is the first bus to implement such an advanced technology. This technology will be implemented in 100 buses with an expenditure of Rs 40 lakh.
I must say the passengers have taken it very positively because they have understood that this particular media, what is provided inside it, it's not only an entertainment media, it assures their safety also. Now, since we are giving this connectivity of tracking these vehicles in the RTO and the police gets a clear report in black and white. Now when they get the report in black and white, they can take any action. Inside the bus also, our device will be alerting. The minute it crosses a speed of say 60, it will start making noise and showing a light. We call it as a overspeed alert system. It will alert the passengers also. So number of times if it starts coming like this way, the passengers will also get panicky and passengers may force the driver to drive the vehicle slowly. If the people inside the bus find that the driver is rash, they can send an SMS. It is interesting to know that this particular technology on Bus Voice is a very sophisticated technology which uses navigation system. Now we use the data from the navigation satellites which are across the earth and use this data our device inside does the calculations and produces the data like overspeed, speed data, the altitude, the distance, and the direction. All this data is processed inside our device, and this particular data is transmitted to our servers using the GPRS or the GSM network. Now he is supposed to go from Mangalore to say Suratkal. Now in between he is supposed to stop and pick passengers at certain places only, and supposing he picks it in odd places, they're called as unscheduled stops. That also gets registered. He is not supposed to do that. So all this information pertaining to the vehicle, when it arrived to that spot, when it departed from that spot, all will be registered using this system, and the officials can observe all this.
The whole bus voice system is a high-tech system. The satellite receivers in the bus voice detects the location, speed, direction and altitude on the Earth's surface using the satellite data and transmit it to the servers through the GPRS network. The data so received would be used to provide many locational-based services. Besides, the bus voice provides audio-visual entertainment and information to the passengers and facilitate automatic announcement of the required stops and tea breaks and significant tourist places as and when required in any desired languages. The system provides vehicle tracking data, including its speed, arrival and departure times, at scheduled and unscheduled stops, while alerting about traffic jams, accident spots and rates the driver's performance.
Bus drivers and conductors are our friends and well-wishers. They ferry us safely from place to place with utmost care. Many a time, we curse them for small mistakes. But do we thank them when they reach us safely to our destination? No. So come on, for once let us thank them and see the difference. For your information, Bus Voice will announce all the major bus stops during the journey. So please pay attention.
The ill state of National Highway 17 was a bane for the bus operators and commuters alike till now. However, with the introduction of Bus Voice, it would become a boon for the bus operators and passengers who would be ensured of safety and comfort. Hence, if this project proves successful in reducing accidents by monitoring speed, it will be a total benefit for all. With buses being tracked under the high-tech media system, travelling on the express buses is really going to be a safe journey. It's now time for me to take a break. Don't go away, we have lots of entertainment programs to follow. But after this short commercial break.
Janak property. ಜನಮಾನಸದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಪಡೆಯಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಯಿನ ವಹಿವಾಟದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಲೇಔಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಉಂಡು, ಎಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸುಂಡು, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಉಂಡು. ರಂಗ ರಂಗದ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ತೇಲಿಕೆ ನಲಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸಾರವು ನಂಬಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. Janak 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 property. Janak 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 property. Janak 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 property.
ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.